This is a 2012 ct200h. If you have a knocking noise in your steering wheel when going side to side slightly, either the car's on or off, this will probably fix it. If you go down here, there should be a black little cover connected by 10mm right there and right there. Go ahead and remove it. Get yourself a 12mm. Stick it on that and tighten it. Don't over tighten, but it's definitely going to be loose. And then you're going to want to follow this up. And on this shaft, you're going to want to turn the steering wheel to the left. As you see, there's another 12mm. Go ahead and tighten that one up as well. And then you should no longer have any knocking noises. It's going for all of the ct200h's and all of the Priuses.